viewers, welcome back into another hair review. So today I'm working with this unit from amandahair. It's 22 inches. The hair is long straight hair, 13 by 4 lace front wig, already pre-plucked with baby hairs. The color is black. You can see the hairline is already pre-plucked, and those are the baby hair. How gorgeous is this hair? So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. There was no shedding. The hair is so tight. You can see as I'm brushing through it, brush so easily. It came with some combs and adjustable strap as well.
Around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back while I was lucky to get.
So that is the lace. Is 13 by 4 lace front wig, and at the back they attach a little lace at the back, which means you can pack your hair ponytail. So I'm just going to cut the excess lace from it and install this wig. You guys know how we rock, how we do this. So those are the baby hairs. How gorgeous is this? How gorgeous. I love. I have said this time without number. I love when my hair come already pre-plucked. If the unit come already pre-plucked, I'm so happy. So taking my hair backward with that styling mousse before cutting out the excess lace from it.
Maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny. I said no, I'm David, and I left. Sun shining, birds chirping. Let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it.
See how gorgeous that hairline looks. See, you don't need to twist it again. Just look at it. Just look at how gorgeous it is. One thing with amandahair, they have high quality. I have reviewed their hair before. This is not the first time. Their hair are so good. Let me know in the comment section if you've seen any of their hair that I review. I think I've reviewed about 2 of their units before, something like that. If you haven't seen the review I did on their hair before, I'm going to leave the link on this video so that you check that out. Their hair is so gorgeous. They are gorgeous.
Hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on. I dance around the street lights. Hey, I know every street.
I always say this: if you are a beginner, you don't know how to do this, or you're scared of cutting it while the wig is on your head, it's better you put a mark on it, remove it from your head, then cut the lace, the excess lace away from it if you are scared. Okay. So silky, and the hair is so soft. There was nothing like smell. Doesn't have any bad smell, and also the hair did not tangle, and also there was no shedding. At the time I installed this hair, there was nothing like shedding. I don't know, maybe if later, but right now I did not see any shedding from it. Sometimes because I do this in all my videos, I'll feel like just skipping this part, but because of those that are new in my channel, I know every day new people are coming, so I'm sorry for those that have seen me do this time without number in every of my videos, but I just have to because of the new subs that are here. I hope you guys understand. I just have to repeat this in all my videos, but sometimes I skip this anyway. So if you are new to my channel, if you don't see how I do this, you have to watch some of my videos, then
Bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
then I spray this hair box legs on the lace. This is medium, that's the shade, something medium. I'm going to leave it on the description box. A medium beige, something like that. I use styling gel to install my wigs because I don't wear my wigs for long. Immediately I finish filming my videos, I remove my wig. But if you want to use styling gel, you can. If you use styling gel, your hair can last for 24 hours. But if you want your hair to last for like 2 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks, I will advise you to use a hair glue. Why I use styling gel as well? Because those hair glue, they damage edges, and my edges are gone. I always say it, I'm trying to fight to bring them back, okay? And installing my hair with styling gel is very, very easy for me. When I want to remove my wig, it's very, very easy. When I just apply water, it's gone. So if you are like me, or if you don't carry your hair more than 24 hours, you can use styling gel to install your wig, and you will see it is really, really cool. You see the hairline, I didn't twist it. This is how it came, and it looks flawless. It looks flawless. Just look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. It's so, so beautiful. There are some things I will skip as well, because in each video, because I don't want the video to be too long, I try as much as possible to make it shorter. So after that, I just have to tie it down and wait for some time. I prefer tying it down, but you can use a blow dryer if you want, just to blow dry that, but I prefer tying it down. I think it's better for me because I don't want it too strong. If you want it really, really hard, you can use a blow dryer. Then now it's not time for me to style this hair. Yeah. So I'm just brushing it. You see how shining, see how bouncing, see how silky this hair is looking. The best part is that hairline for me. You can see how that lace melted inside my skin. Just see, you don't know the difference between my scalp and the lace, because the lace melted into my skin. Just look at that hairline. They are looking so flawless, and you cannot know the difference between the lace and my scalp because the lace melted into my skin. You see how that lace melted into my skin. This is really, really just wow. And look at those edges, they are slay. You see that how natural this look. It looks so natural. My edges are natural, as you can see from this hair. So I did my baby hairs. If you like, you can leave it like that without bringing out baby hairs, but if you like, you can do as well, bring out your baby hairs. If not, without bringing out baby hairs, the hair look gorgeous. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this wig in case if you are interested. Don't hesitate to check the description box. You're going to see the direct link to this wig on the description box, and a link that will take you to their website as well for you to see some other wigs they have on their website. Like I said, amandahair, their wigs are of quality. Okay, so that is it guys. I'm going to leave you guys to watch to the end. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. Support your girl if you like this video by clicking on that like button. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Stay blessed. Bye.
You're sleeping with someone new, and I'm in New York for the first time. I hate this weather, but I like the view. It makes me think of new beginnings. Here's to new beginnings. I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long, wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? You said she was just a friend, and I remember thinking the worst at first, but you made me think it was in my head. Yeah, you just said that I was crazy. I thought that I was crazy. I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long, wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Ooh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Hear my heart break. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? The sound of my heart breaking. If only I could make you change your mind. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. It's over. Is it over now? If only I could make you change your mind. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. It's over. I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden next to me.